Good morning, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. This morning I'm going to teach you how to print the formulas that are in your Excel file, or at least see them if you don't want to print them. So let's go ahead and get started. So the other day I made a tutorial on how to do a budget in Excel. You can see that by going to the, excuse me, you can see that by going to the Excel playlist that's in the description of this video. And when I did that, I made a bunch of formulas, okay? So let's say you might have a need one day to see these formulas or maybe even print them off. So that's what this video is going to show you. So this column here has all of the formulas. If I select all of those and I push Control, regardless of whether I'm on a Mac or PC, I push Control apostrophe. That's the top. I think it's called an apostrophe. It's the very left button right under the escape, okay? Hold down Control. Hit the button that's very left under the escape at the top, and that will turn that into your equations. So it'll show you all your formulas. If you want to change it back, push Control, squiggly line. It has a squiggly line and what I think is an apostrophe at the top left corner, just under the escape. Again, Control squiggly line, Control squiggly line, okay? Now, if for some reason you want to print those, I don't know why you would want to, but someone had searched this. You would then just push Command P if you're on a PC and print, or sorry, if you're on a Mac and print. Control P would do it if you're on a PC. Or you can go File, Print as well. Okay? Again, one last time. To show or hide the formulas, you push Control squiggly line, Control squiggly line back. All right, hopefully that helped. That's going to come in handy for something I need to do on a future project. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment and I'll make another video for you. And make sure you subscribe to Teach Mom How. Have a great day.